Today we discuss about the hair loss. It's a very big problem in the world, all you know. So let's see home remedies for the hair loss. And before that, we will say there is nothing more attractive than a kick head of hair that glimmers with a natural hair health. But hair loss is a problem that many people suffering from world totally. There can be several factors behind hair loss, such as environment effect, going to much stress, excessive smoking, nutrition effective, deficiency, hormonal imbalance, genetic factors, scalp infections, use of wrong chemically enriched hair products. Certainly, medicines and medical conditions like thyroid disorder, autoimmune diseases, polycystic ovary syndrome, iron deficiency anemia, and chronic illness. There are about 1 lakh stands for hair on a scalp, and it's considered very normal to lose 50 to 100 strands a day. When you start losing more than that, it is time for to take action. So it's doesn't progress to baldness as bald spots. Many readily available ingredients can be used to treat hair loss at home. Very easy. And see, first of all, we go with the hair oil massage. You know that. The first step that you can take to reduce hair loss is to massage to scalp with appropriate hair oil. Proper hair and scalp massage will increase blood flow to hair follicles, condition the scalps, enhance the strength of hair roots. It will be also promote relaxation, reduce feelings of stress. You can use hair oils like coconut or almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, amla oil, or others. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to base oil for better and fast results. Other types of oil that you can use are emule oil, argan oil, and wheat germ oil. Massage any of the hair oils mentioned above onto your hair and scalp by applying light pressure with your fingertips. Do this at least once a week. See, and second one is Indian gooseberry. In Telugu is Usirikaya. For natural and fast hair growth, uh, you can use Indian gooseberry, also known as amla. Indian gooseberry is rich in vitamin C, of which a deficiency in the body can cause hair loss. The anti-inflammatory, the antioxidant, antibacterial, and the exfoliating properties present in India gooseberry can help maintain a healthy scalp and promote hair growth. And mix in a tablespoon each of Indian gooseberry or amla pulp and lemon juice. Massage your scalp with a mixer thoroughly. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it in overnight. Shampoo your hair in the morning. Third, fenugreek. Fenugreek, also known as methi, it's early effective hair loss. Fenugreek seeds contain hormone antioxidants that enhance hair growth and help rebuild hair follicles. They also contain proteins and nicotinic acid that stimulate hair growth. Soak a cup of the fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and cover with a shower cap. About 40 minutes. Rinse your hair. Follow this remedy every morning for a month. See, and fourth one, onion juice. Telugu you can see ullipaya. Onion juice helps treat hair loss due to its high sulfur content, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, regenerate follicles, and reduce inflammation. The antibacterial properties in the onion juice also help kills germs and parasites, treat scalp infections that can cause hair loss. In a 2002 study published in Journal of Dermatology, almost 74% of study participants who applied onion juice on scalp experienced a significant hair regrowth. It's great. And extract in the hair of the onion by in and then strain it. Apply the juice directly on the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it for off. Finally, shampoo your hair. Mix together 3 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can also add a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture onto your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off and shampooing your hair. Repeat either of these remedies 2 or 3 times a week for several weeks. And coming to best part is fifth one is very good. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that directly promote healthy hair growth. Also, its alkalizing properties can help bring the scalp and hair pH to more desirable level, which can greatly promote hair growth. Regular use can also relieve scalp itching, reduce scalp redness and inflammation, strength and luster to hair, alleviate the dandruff. Both aloe vera gel and juice will work. Apply aloe vera gel or juice onto the scalp. Leave it on for a few hours and wash it for a lukewarm water. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times a week. And you can also consume 1 tablespoon aloe vera juice and empty stomach to enjoy better hair growth. And sixth one, licorice root. Licorice root is another herb that prevents hair loss and further damage onto your hair. The mollifying properties of licorice roots open the pores, soothe the scalp, and help get rid of irritations like dry flakes. This remedy is good for dandruff, hair loss, and baldness. Add 1 tablespoon of ground licorice root to 1 cup milk with a quarter teaspoon saffron. Mix it thoroughly. Apply the paste to bald patches and bedtime. Leave it overnight. In the morning, wash your hair. Apply the remedy once or twice a week. You can also take a licorice internally in the form of licorice tea 3 times a day. And 7. Chinese hibiscus. HIBISCUS. Yes, Telugu in the Mandara Puvulu flowers. The Chinese hibiscus flower has many natural properties that help in the treating hair loss. In addition to promoting hair growth, this flower can also be used to cure dandruff, prevent split ends, thicken hair, and preventing premature graying that treat hair loss. Add 10 Chinese hibiscus flowers to 2 cups of coconut oil. Heat the solution until charred. Strain it and collect the oil. Apply the oil on your hair before going to bed. Wash your hair in the morning. Repeat this a few times a week. You can also make a tea with the flower and use it in a rinse of your hair to encourage proper growth. And 8th, best, beetroot. Beetroot juice contains carbohydrates, protein, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin B and C. All these nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. Include fresh beetroot juice in your diet. In addition to that, spinach juice, alfalfa juice, lettuce juice, or carrot juice will help keep your hair healthy. Alternatively, grind a few beetroot leaves boiled in water along with henna. Apply to the paste and scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing to it out. Repeat several times a week. And flax seeds. 9th, flax seeds are a rich resource of omega-3 fatty acids that prevent further hair loss and encourage hair growth. To manage hair loss, consume a tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds with a glass of water daily in the morning. You can also add flax seeds to your salads, soups, smoothies, and other dishes. You can also simply take a flax seeds oil, apply into hair. When used your hair oil, flaxseed oil is help prevent hair loss as well as strengthen your hair. And 10th one is very easy method, coconut oil. Coconut milk is rich the protein essential fats that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. When applied to the hair, coconut milk provides quick results. You can make fresh coconut milk at home by adding a freshly grated hair coconut to a pan of water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then strain it. Once cool, apply the milk thoroughly onto the scalp into your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then shampoo your hair. To make the treatment more effective, you can mix black pepper and powder fenugreek seeds to the coconut milk before using it. To solve your problem of hair loss, try some of these natural remedies. Also, following a proper diet will keep your hair healthy. So, eat green vegetables and fresh fruits as much as possible. That's a better thing ever. I'm saying use coconut milk, flax seeds, beetroot, Chinese hibiscus, licorice root, aloe vera, onion juice, fenugreek and Indian gooseberry hair oil massage. Lot of remedies you can use it, and you can save your hair. Thank you, and subscribe me, and always try to promote a good videos for you. And thank you so much, and good day, happy day, and keep your hair healthy. Very nice. Bye.